step into the 2005 Cadillac Quartz 3.6L. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are traction control, automatic headlights, remote trunk release, keyless entry, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, and driver vanity mirror. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.